Hey, what up everybody? Welcome to Work in Progress. We're excited you're here. Come on inside and check it out. So the first thing you see when you come to Work in Progress is our Work in Progress stairwell. This is all the companies that have worked here over the years. We love all the businesses that work out of Work in Progress, and we're excited for you to come too. All right, so back here we got our lounge area. This is where you can hang out with your homies in a little more comfortable environment, grab a couch, watch some TV, grab an energy drink, whatever it is. This is where you can get some stuff done and relax and get that chill on. And then back here, we got some co-working desks. So back here, you can put those headphones on and really focus and get to work so you can get that stuff done that your boss needs you to do. All right, let's check out the kitchen. So this is our downstairs kitchen. It's a kitchenette, smaller. Works great for the people that work downstairs. We also have our kitchen upstairs. All right, guys, let's check out where the shiz goes down. Welcome to the downstairs bathroom. All right, so let's check out one of our cool event spaces, the classroom. All right, so this is our classroom. This room holds about 30 people. It can be reserved all day or just for a few hours if you need it. Teams of all sizes come and use this. Different businesses from even different parts of the world have come in and used our meeting spaces. So this is a great space for you and your team. All right, let's go check out what we got going on at the front desk. So this is our community manager. She does a great job of making sure any of your guests that come to visit our space are taken well care of. She also receives your mail, signs for your packages, receives your Uber Eats deliveries, and makes sure the coffee stays hot upstairs. We love our community manager. Let's go check out upstairs. All right, so this is our main co-working space. Here we have a lot of different options, from day passes to month for teams or individuals. We can do big groups or small groups, it doesn't matter. You can find a space for any of your needs. We also have private spaces you can come check out. Here's a quick run through of what those look like. And as a mandatory part of the tour, here's what the men's restrooms look like. This is the retro restroom. And of course, the women's restroom. One of the best features of Work in Progress is we have a dumbwaiter. Check this thing out. All right, and as you can see here, this is our main kitchen. This is where everybody prepares their lunch every single day. We have our freshly served hot coffee, which is ground every single morning by our community manager. We also have a Keurig machine for those that like that type of coffee. We have an ice maker so you can have ice cold drinks. And we also stock a cupboard full of free snacks every single month. And as per mandatory when getting a tour, we'll show you the inside of our fridge. Not much to see here since you can already see inside. And as the owners of Work in Progress, we love it so much here that we work here too. If you ever need anything, feel free to stop by our office and give us a shout. Out front here we have 6 short-term parking spaces, which are great for any of the guests that come to visit you while you're working. We also have contracts with 2 neighboring lots, a covered lot and an open lot back, where you can set up a month-to-month payment and you can park there whenever you want for however long you want. And as a last resort, if there isn't an option in those 2, we have plenty of street parking all around the building and all around the neighborhood here. So there's a lot of options when it comes to parking your whip at whip. And this is our big event space. We call it the garage. The garage can be customized for any event type. We got big events, small events, can hold up to 100 people. We can arrange it in a classroom style or a table style like it is currently. It's also great because we have other uses for the garage as well. We have a photo and video studio, as well as the ping pong table and some other fun stuff to keep us busy when there's not an event happening in here. So definitely think about the garage for your next event because this place is rad. All right, well, thanks for coming and checking out Work in Progress. Don't forget, you can get a day pass, a drop-in, a month-to-month membership, whatever you need, we can help you out. But listen, I gotta get back to work, so you gotta go. Thanks for coming, we'll see you later.